Poa! Great flying, Ono!
Thanks, Beshti. Sure is nice to have my sight back. Anga, shall we see what we can see?
Yup.
See you later, Beshti.
Bye! Huh? What's that?
No, Bunga, you're the smelliest honey badger.
Hey, guys. What's going on?
See for yourself.
No, you. No, you.
Poa, Bunga must really like Binga if he thinks she's smellier.
Hi.
How's it going?
Morning?
Morning, little bee. Sleep okay?
Yeah, slept great.
I'm sure you did.
Kion, now that everyone is awake, perhaps you're ready to begin today's healing session.
Right. See you all later.
Well, if Kion's off with Nirmala, I think I'll go find some grubs.
Tell Binga we said hi.
Will do. Bye!
Looks like we have the morning free. And I could use a run. Catch you guys later!
Have fun, Fuli. Guess that just leaves you and me, Balia. Balia?
Sorry, Beshti. After patrolling all night, I need some sleep.
Oh, okay. Guess I'm on my own then.
What would you do if you were in the Pride Lands?
Oh, I have lots of friends back home. And there's always something amazing going on.
There's lots of amazing animals here, too. And everybody's really friendly. Why don't you take a look around?
Poa, that's a great idea. Thanks, Balia.
Sure thing, Beshti.
Amazing animals, here I come.